So, as you all know, that a police officer can arrest a person without warrant under section 41 and section 151 of CRPC, but can a police officer arrest a person without warrant, or can there be arrest without warrant under CPC also? If so, substantiate this answer with appropriate provisions of CPC. We have 2 minutes. Let me know your answer. So many of you are in favor of order 38. Okay, let's start with order 38. Order 38, Rule 1. Where defendant may be called upon to furnish security for appearance. When at any stage of suit other than a suit of the nature referred to in section 16 clause A to D, the court is satisfied by affidavit or otherwise that the defendant with intended to delay the plaintiff or to avoid any process of the court or to obstruct or delay the execution of any decree that may be passed against him has absconded or left the local limits of the jurisdiction of the court, or is about to abscond or leave the local limits of the jurisdiction of the court, or has disposed of or removed from the local limits of the jurisdiction of the court his property and any part thereof, or that the defendant is about to leave India under circumstances affording reasonable probability that the plaintiff will or may thereby be obstructed or delayed in the execution of any decree that may be passed against the defendant in the suit. The court may issue a warrant to arrest the defendant and bring him before the court to show cause why he should not furnish a security for his appearance. That means under order 38 also there has to be a warrant, as rule 1 mandates that there has to be a warrant. The court may issue a warrant to arrest the defendant. So now answering the question whether there can be an arrest without warrant or not, we need to refer to order 21. So let's move to order 21. So in order to answer this question, we need to refer to order 21, rule 11 of CPC. You can see here that order 21, where a decree is for the payment of money, the court may, on the oral application of the decree holder at the time of passing of the decree, order immediate execution thereof by the arrest of judgment debtor prior to the preparation of a warrant if he is within the precinct of the court. Mark this phrase, prior to the preparation of a warrant. So under order 21, rule 11, a person can be arrested without warrant. What are the condition precedents for this purpose? One is decree should be for the payment of money, point number 1, and if the judgment debtor is present within the precincts of the court, number 2, at the time of passing of the decree, point number 3. Now, the person can be, the judgment debtor can be ordered to be arrested for the immediate execution of the decree prior to the preparation of a warrant if he is present in the court. So, under order 21 rule 11, such persons can be arrested, the judgment debtor can be arrested without warrant. But this is not exhaustive. We need to refer the section part. This is order 5. Okay. We need to refer to section 51, which talks about powers of court to enforce. Section 51 proviso states that provided that where the decree is for payment of money, again if the decree is for payment of money, execution by detention in prison shall not be ordered unless after giving the judgment debtor an opportunity for showing cause why he should not be committed to prison, the court, for reasons to be recorded in writing, if satisfied, the judgment debtor with the object or effect of obstructing the delay of execution of the decree is likely to abscond or leave the local limits of the case, or these things. But first of all, if the decree is for the execution of money, then the arrest can be made without or the prior preparation of the warrant. But section 51 proviso mandates the same thing. If the decree is for the execution of money, the judgment debtor cannot be ordered to be arrested without giving him an opportunity for showing the cause that why he should not be arrested. So, these two provisions of CPC are self-contradictory. It seems self-contradictory, but it is not. What happens here is that the court can order for the arrest, but the judgment debtor should get an opportunity to show cause why he should not be arrested. So, order 21, rule 11 has to be read with section 51 rule proviso. So, these two things has to be read together, where we find a similar tone with CRPC, as we know that under section 41 and 151 of CRPC a person can be arrested even without warrant, but in CPC there is civil prison, though a person can be arrested without warrant. We see the instances where a person can be arrested without warrant. So, share your thoughts regarding this. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. From next class, we will continue with our voyage from order 21, rule 12. Thank you.